Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, I want to say this is the most wonderful time of the year, which is Christmas. The days are counting down, the time is coming, everyone just having a wonderful time. Hopefully you having a wonderful time also. Well, I want to say it is a beautiful time of the year, wonderful time of the year, as the songman said, wonderful time of the year, which is Christmas, where all the family, friends, everyone might just come over to the house, have a wonderful family dinner. Even your neighbor sometime might come over, want to have some of your food also. Well, I want to simply say to you, say, remember all this, say, the time is coming, the day is counting down. Well, it's gonna be 14 days to go now and 14 nights to sleep. So it is a wonderful time of the year, which is now when family get together for dinner. Christmas is coming up very soon. We got 14 days to go. Guys, hopefully you have prepare yourself. The weather is really cold, but have a wonderful time. Bless yourself with some nice, lovely homemade food. And I know that Christmas is just nice. That's the time where all the family come together. You know what I mean? You're working right straight through the year. You know what I mean? When Christmas comes, that's the time when you all come together and have a wonderful time with the family. Eat some nice, lovely homemade food. Watch some of Chef Ricardo cooking program with this video. And just enjoy yourself and have a wonderful time. As I said, the most wonderful time of the year is now, Christmas. Visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and also sign up for free. You might win a cookbook from Chef Ricardo. And leave your comments if you think it. If you think what I'm talking about, it is real or true. Wonderful time of the year, which is Christmas. For you, for me, and everyone, the best time of the year is now, Christmas. The most important time. Every day, we're gonna come with a little drama and a little story about Christmas. Christmas is just beautiful, beautiful, nice, wonderful time of the year is Christmas. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We always have a lot of video coming out for you guys, so enjoy the video. As I said, wonderful time of the year when family get together to enjoy their dinner, their Christmas dinner. Nice one from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.